Friends, today we're talking about an issue that's not just about cars, but about human lives. Yes, BMW has recalled nearly 200,000 vehicles in the United States, a massive recall that has raised serious concerns. Why? Because inside these cars, a small defect, just a tiny technical fault, could be the difference between life and death. The problem lies in the starter relay, which can short circuit and cause the engine to catch fire. Imagine this. A family is driving their BMW, and suddenly smoke begins to rise from the hood. That's not just a machine breaking down, that's a real danger to human safety. BMW has even warned owners not to park their cars in garages or near buildings until the issue is fixed. Why? Because if a fire starts, it's not just the car that's at risk, but homes and lives as well. And it's not just BMWs. The recall also includes Toyota Supras, cars loved for their luxury and performance. But even a dream car can turn dangerous if one small part fails. So the real question is this: is a human life worth less than a faulty piece of equipment? Absolutely not. That's why BMW's decision was necessary. And for drivers, it's a wake-up call. Every driver's top priority should always be the safety of themselves and their loved ones. If you received this recall notice, what would you do? Would you ignore it or take immediate action? In the journey of life, safety should always come first. Cars can be replaced, but life cannot. Take care of yourself, and before you start your engine, always make sure safety comes first.